Hello all and welcome back to my YouTube channel Lux Insider with Anita Khatri. Today I am speaking to you all from Dubrovnik. I am in Croatia. This city, which is city of tradition and history, while one packs and prepares for a travel or for a holiday, one does pay attention to the outfits that you're packing. But what about the watch wardrobe? This time I decided to pack a couple of watches, and one of the watches that I'll be speaking today is Dior Bagheera, which is on my wrist. It's a great watch. I packed it because I felt that Dubrovnik is climate which is very hot right now. So when I'm wearing white outfits or something cotton for an evening out, this watch, which is in stainless steel case and stainless steel bracelet, it is round shape. It is having mother of pearl dial. It's in pink color, mother of pearl dial, and it has hour markers which are diamonds. So 12 hour markers, diamond. It's a quartz watch. It is a water resistant, so it's a perfect evening wear for me because it's also elegant. It is versatile. I can pair it up with any of my outfits. I will be talking to you about other watches very soon. So the second watch that I packed for myself on this travel, this trip, is the Baume & Mercier Linea. Now this particular watch, it's very easy, it's elegant, it is very classy. At the same time, I have versatile watch because I can change the straps here. So today I'm wearing a white, so I'm wearing a white leather strap. I do have 3 more straps. The third watch that I packed for this travel or this trip is the Cartier Tank. I love this watch. It's so easy. It has a pin buckle. It's easy, it's elegant, it's classy, and of course, it's versatile. Whatever you wear, it just adds on your look. It doesn't ever take away, it just adds. The fourth watch that I have packed, actually, I haven't packed, it's my husband's watch. He's traveling with his Seiko, a Spico Speed Timer Go Large chronograph. Now, this one, the Prospex one, it's something which I have already mentioned earlier, that it's a fabulous watch and it fits beautifully. It's a sporty watch. If you feel sporty mood, that time I take his watch and I tell him, please, he can wear one of his own because he's also carrying 2-3 watches. So, while you're traveling, you can always, try out this kind of change to bring about that freshness in your look by using a unisex watch. Hope you enjoyed watching this episode as much as I enjoyed and loved putting it together. And do tell me which are the watches you select when you travel. Do let me know if you want to know anything more in the comments below. And thank you for watching. If you liked the video, do not forget to press the like button. And if you haven't subscribed my channel already, please do subscribe so that you do not miss all the new episodes that are coming your way.